In this video, we're going to talk about three types of waypoints. There's an ETA waypoint, there's a fixed route waypoint, and there's an along route waypoint. First, let's talk about the ETA waypoint. When you first start up, you come through this screen here, press F8, and you will get the ETA waypoint selection screen. This is a collection of waypoints of interest determined by the pilot group. And so Raven will configure up this collection of ETA waypoints, and the pilot can select from here. Now, here's a column labeled route waypoint. An ETA waypoint does not have to be a route waypoint, although it frequently is. This table can be configured however the pilot group wants it to be configured by Raven. So let's select Morgan's Point, which happens to be fixed route waypoint MPTN. We'll select that one as our ETA. And when we do that, you can see that our destination here is Morgan's Point. Estimated time of arrival is 20:05. The distance to that waypoint is 27.2 nautical miles. So that's the ETA waypoint. If we want to change it at any time, we can. Let's say we want to change it to Baytown. And so it changes to Baytown. We're going to be there at 20:25, and that's 30.7 nautical miles from where we are now. Notice our current speed is 10.3 knots. So that's ETA waypoints. Looking at the fixed route waypoints, the next route waypoint that we're headed towards right now is the one here with the green concentric circles, and that's the waypoint selector, those circles are. And so right here we see the next waypoint is 9-10-TN. And we can move the waypoint selector by pressing N for the next waypoint. So if I press N, there's the next waypoint. It's going to be 11-12. And so press P to go back to the one I was at. And then you can see that the time to go to that waypoint, the next waypoint, is 3 minutes and 51 seconds. And the distance is 3,965 feet. If I press N, the time to go to that next waypoint is 12 minutes. And zoom up a bit. Press N again, and the time to go that one is 20 minutes, and the distance is 3.5 nautical miles. Now if I press home, the waypoint selector comes back to the currently selected fixed route waypoint selector. It might be that you don't want to know time to go to any of those fixed route waypoints. You'd like to know time to go to someplace different. So let's say you just want to know to here. Double left click, and you get an along route waypoint. This is the third type of waypoint, and it shows that the time to go to that is 14 minutes and 36 seconds, and it's 2.5 nautical miles away. You can click on this knots planner here, and if you wanted to arrive at that particular location in a particular amount of time, let's say you want to be there in 5 minutes, so you put 0 hours and 5 minutes and calculate the required speed. You'd need to be going 29.7 knots to get to that point in 5 minutes. So that's what the knots planner does in that along route waypoint tag there. I can close it, and I'm done. So that's a quick overview of the three types of waypoints supported by the Wheelhouse II charting program.